We're battling right now. This is Lucille. Lucille and I fight every day. She is my nemesis. She's the one I've had the most difficult time breaking. But she will be broken, for I am unstoppable, and Lucille will not live as long as I. Or will she? No. The glasses, I can't see without them. She knows this. Is she gone?
No. She's still there. Do you need me to call someone?
No, this is a war of my own.
Lucille seems to be simply toying with you at this point.
No, I'm lulling Lucille into a false sense of security. Ow, no. It tickles. I'm laughing, but I'm furious. Yeah. No. She fears me at this point. That's a trick I tried where I lure her into my mouth and then bite down hard. It has never worked. You will fall. You will break before me. I am a towering inferno. Careful now. You think you have one over on me, but you don't. You're dumber than I am.
If you bend your face down as far as you can, she'll probably climb up on the glasses, and that might be kind of funny.
Wait, where's she going? Lucille. Oh, my ear. Lucille, come back. Where is she? I can't. I can't turn my head.
Bit of misdirection. What? Uh-oh.
Where is it?
I think I better take Lucille off your back.
Why?
She's just done her patented I'm about to shit move.
Oh, no.
Okay, she didn't on you, but...